Oh, hello guys. I didn't see you there. I'm Niles.
I'm Christina, and welcome to Anatomy and Physiology Time.
And I'm the voiceover, Erica.
Today, our topic of discussion is the anatomy and physiology of the human body.
Anatomy is the study of the structures of the human body, and physiology is the study of the functions of the body.
One of the 12 body systems is the integumentary system, which protects the body from the outside world and consists of the skin, hair, nails, bones, and nerves.
3 common diseases and disorders are psoriasis, eczema, and lupus.
Psoriasis is characterized by flare-ups in which red papules are covered with silvery scales. Eczema is dermatitis with redness, itching, and dryness. And lupus is characterized by a red scaly rash on the face and upper trunk. It also attacks the connective tissue and other body systems.
Next is the skeletal system. It provides support, movement, protection, blood cell production, and endocrine regulation that enables us to survive.
Some skeletal structures are the skull, the clavicle, the ribs, the spine, the pelvis, and the femur.
3 common diseases and disorders are osteoporosis, rheumatoid arthritis, and scoliosis.
Osteoporosis is bone weakening due to the loss of bone density. Rheumatoid arthritis is characterized by swollen joints that become painful and unmovable. And scoliosis is the abnormal curvature of the spine.
Third is the good old muscular system. It is responsible for the movement of the human body.
It includes the quadriceps, biceps, pectorals, gluteus maximus, the latissimus dorsi, and many more. 3 common diseases and disorders are carpal tunnel syndrome, paralysis, and Achilles tendonitis.
Carpal tunnel syndrome occurs when the tendons that pass through the carpal tunnel are chronically overused and become inflamed and swollen. Paralysis is loss of sensation and voluntary muscle movements due to disease. Achilles tendonitis is the inflammation of the Achilles tendon located in the back of your foot.
And now, the nervous system. The nervous system is responsible for the control of the body and communication among its parts.
The nervous system has structures such as the brain, the spinal cord, sensory organs, and sensory and motor neurons.
3 common diseases and disorders are multiple sclerosis, ALS, Lou Gehrig's disease, and epilepsy.
Multiple sclerosis is demyelination of the myelin sheath. It scars the brain, spinal cord, optic nerves, and disrupts nerve transmission impulses. ALS, or Lou Gehrig's disease, attacks the nerve cells responsible for controlling voluntary muscles. Epilepsy is characterized by recurrent episodes of seizures of varying severity.
Another body system is the cardiovascular system. It transports nutrients, oxygen, and hormones to cells throughout the body and removes metabolic waste. Its only structures consist of the heart, blood vessels, and blood.
Common diseases and disorders include hypertension, leukemia, and sickle cell anemia.
Hypertension is high blood pressure. Leukemia is cancer characterized by abnormal white blood cells, and sickle cell anemia is characterized by oddly shaped red blood cells that damage the body system with blood flow interference.
The lymphatic system is the 6th body system we will be talking about. It removes interstitial fluid from tissues, absorbs and transports fatty acids and fat, and transports white blood cells to and from the lymph nodes into the bones.
The lymphatic system includes the lymph nodes, tonsils, thymus, spleen, and much more. The diseases and disorders include lymphoma, tonsillitis, and oedema.
Lymphoma is a cancer that has malignancies affecting the lymphoid tissues. Tonsillitis is inflammation of the tonsils, and oedema is swelling caused by too much fluid in the tissues.
Alright, break time. Just kidding. Next is the immune system, which protects the body against disease and other potentially damaging foreign bodies. It consists of the thymus, bone marrow, spleen, tonsils, lymph nodes, skin, and liver.
3 diseases and disorders are type 1 diabetes, HIV, and AIDS. Are you familiar with those?
Type 1 diabetes occurs when the immune system attacks the cells in the pancreas that makes insulin. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, is a virus that damages and kills cells of the immune system, causing it to progressively fail. And AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, is the most advanced fatal stage of an HIV infection.
Body system number 8 is the respiratory system, which is responsible for taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. As if that wasn't obvious already. Its structures include the lungs, nose, mouth, diaphragm, pharynx, larynx, and trachea.
Common diseases and disorders include COPD, emphysema, and influenza.
COPD, or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, causes difficulty breathing due to damage in the bronchi. Emphysema is progressive loss of lung function due to defects in the alveoli. Influenza, commonly known as the flu, is a contagious viral infection that occurs most commonly in epidemics during the colder months.
The next system is known as the digestive system. It is responsible for the digestion and absorption of nutrients in food. Gross!
It includes the digestive tract or the gastrointestinal tract, the liver, the pancreas, and the gallbladder. 3 common diseases and disorders include anorexia, gastritis, and obesity.
Anorexia is a loss of appetite for food. Gastritis is the common inflammation of the stomach lining that is often caused by bacteria. And obesity is the excessive accumulation of fat in the body.
Feeling sleepy yet? Well, we got more for you! Presenting the urinary system. It removes liquid waste from the blood in the form of urine. It consists of the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and the urethra.
3 common diseases and disorders are renal failure, edema, and UTI, urinary tract infections.
Renal failure is characterized by the inability of one or both of the kidneys to perform their functions. Edema is the excessive fluid in the body that causes swelling. And UTI begins in the bladder. It occurs more frequently in women due to their short urethras.
The endocrine system is next, and it regulates body growth, metabolism, and sexual development and function.
It consists of the hypothalamus, thyroid gland, pituitary gland, the pancreas, and the reproductive organs.
The common diseases and disorders are acromegaly, insulinoma, and Addison's disease.
Acromegaly is the abnormal enlargement of the extremities caused by excessive secretion of growth hormones. Insulinoma is characterized by a benign tumor of the pancreas that causes low blood sugar. Addison's disease occurs when the adrenal glands do not produce enough of the hormones cortisol and aldosterone.
Lastly, we have the reproductive system. For males, it produces sperm, the male gamete, and other components of semen. For females, it gives the ability to produce ova to be fertilized by sperm and provides a place for the fetus to grow and develop.
The male's reproductive system consists of the penis, scrotum, testicles, and the prostate gland. And the female's consists of the vagina, ovaries, ova, and the fallopian tubes. 3 common diseases and disorders include cervical cancer, STDs, and prostate cancer.
Cervical cancer is cancer that starts in the cervix and usually affects women ranging from 45 to 65 years old. STDs, or sexually transmitted diseases, are spread through sex and genital contact. Prostate cancer is cancer in a man's prostate caused by abnormal and uncontrolled growth of cells.
There you have it, folks, the 12 systems of the human body.
Yay!
See you all next time on Anatomy Physiology Time.